Having a clogged drain is never fun. One moment everything is fine and the next, you have pooling water which won't go down the drain. Here are a few methods to try and resolve the problem yourself. The first thing to do is try liquid solutions. Take a third cup of baking soda and vinegar and mix. Pour this down your drain and allow to sit for 60 minutes. Wash down with boiling water. A more dangerous option is caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. This hardware store find can cause bad chemical burns, so proceed with caution. Use 3/4 gallon of cold water and add 3 cups of caustic soda. Stir and pour down your drain. If your toilet is clogged, you can use dish soap to grease your pipes and help clogs go down easier. Pour 1/4 cup of dish soap down your toilet bowl and follow with boiling water. Plunge afterwards. If none of those options worked for you, then it is time to get physical with some non-liquid options. Using a wire hanger is an oldie but goodie trick to unclog your drain. Simply untwist a wire coat hanger and create a hook at the end. Push it down your drain and pull up. And presto! Your job is done. Use a drain snake. You can find this tool at a home repair store. Not expensive and easy to use. This could be a helpful thing to have in your garage. You use the gadget by snaking the wire coil down your drain and twisting as you pull back up. Last option is to use a professional. Some problems are too big or gross to handle. Getting a professional to come out and fix your problem can be a great and easy way to end the drainage problem. Since 1960, Electric League of Arizona has built a base of consistent professionals who are industry licensed, insured, and bonded, with 100% guaranteed follow-up. Check it out.